Before we jump into a hands-on exercise, let's talk about a tool we're going to use called Microsoft Graph Explorer. Now you can get to Microsoft Graph Explorer by going to aka.ms/ge for Graph Explorer. And you're going to see several parts to the screen here, and I'm going to talk you through those. Now, Microsoft Graph Explorer is a free tool, and you can use it to make Microsoft Graph REST API requests without any installation or setup. It's a great place to start practicing and learning Microsoft Graph APIs before consuming them in your actual applications. Now, Graph Explorer is a web application, and you can use it in any modern browser. In the sales application scenario, your development team can use Graph Explorer to prototype the initial API calls and see the type of data returned. So if you look at the screen here, here's a quick overview. In the number one section, the URL at the top, you could see the full URL you can go to, but at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice again this aka.ms/ge, that's the short way. But if we jump right into it, you'll notice in number 2 and 3, number 2 is an HTTP verb drop-down list, and it can help you modify your HTTP request to be GET, POST, PUT, PATCH, or DELETE requests. In number 3, we have the version drop-down list, and this helps you choose the version of the Graph REST API call that you want to make. Right now, we're going to use version 1.0, but over time, you'll see different options there. Now, if we jump to number 4, this is where you're going to work most of your time, and this is the actual URL for the API call that you're going to make with Graph. Notice right off to the right of it, there's a run query. We could use that. Now, you don't really have to type what you see in number 4 there by hand. You can actually select pre-built queries. If you look over in number 5, there's a sample query section. And in number 6, there's an example of one of the most simple ones, which is getting someone's profile, such as yourself. Now, out of the box, when you run this, they'll just give you sample data, but a little later, I'm going to show you that we can actually sign in, and you could get real data using this tool if you'd like. In number 7, you'll see a link, and if you click on that, you can get to related API documentation that's available, and that'll be useful for getting more details about these types of queries. So now that you've seen a quick overview of Microsoft Graph Explorer, let's go ahead and jump into our first hands-on exercise.